daughter's room. This is day 3. Another sea day. So just to show you how this works. Get the door open in this. This is the view from the front of the ship off the bow camera. And this, you can lay in your bed and watch this in the morning, see? That's where you're going. So, this is us. The bottom of the picture is Puerto Rico. A little better understanding, Cuba and the Bahamian Islands. We came from up here, went past Castaway Key, and we're down traveling along the way to St. Martin. That's the first stop. This is plays continuously on your TV in your room. And it's Monday, June the 2nd, 2014. It's 6:19 in the morning. And this is Disney Cruise Lines. And we're headed to the southeast almost. And our position, course, we're rocking along here at about 19 knots. Almost 20 this morning. The apparent wind speed with the ship and what's coming across the bow, 32 miles an hour. So here's the midships pool. They got the deck on it. Well, it hadn't been removed from whatever they did last night. Now they're getting ready to open up the pool, so they'll take the deck off, put all the deck chairs. Crew's been out here cleaning up this morning. Drink station, well, that's the coffee side. We're going to go here, we're going to get it here. This is the hot tub in the Cove Cafe. This is up headed to the front of the ship. This is the adult area, which here at this time of the morning, there ain't a whole lot of us up. That's the bridge level. This is looking east out into the Atlantic. On the aqueduct yesterday, their official aqueduct riders. Actually got it done before the kids did. Our stateroom down there somewhere. front of the ship, go all the way forward. This is the famous Satellite Falls. It's a hot tub. Usually the water comes down, but due to the winds, if they did that, they'd have the whole deck soaked, so they turned off the sprinklers. They won't let you walk out on that thing because of the wind right now. Maybe we'll get a shot of that once we get to St. Martin. I'll come up here when the ship isn't moving. But we're doing about 19, as I showed a little while ago, 19 knots, and the effective with the wind coming up out of the south. Effective wind over the deck's about 32 miles an hour right now. I think we must have had some people out here playing last night. June 2nd, 2014, Fantail DCL Fantasy. And I guess to be technically correct, we're out here in the big blue Atlantic, probably just a little bit north of Puerto Rico. Nassau is over off to the left. Okay, so this is the drink station on deck 11 for the soft drink side. Milk, let's get here and do this one because this comes up a question all the time. We got Coke, Sprite, Minute Maid Light, Minute Light, water, iced tea, Diet Coke, Coke. Repeats itself on the other side. Okay, so for all you people who post this on YouTube, this part will get posted on YouTube, and you can see what's at the drink station. On this side you get regular coffee, hot water, decaf, milk. As far as I can tell, it's all, well, we have milk, and then we have one that says creamer. Okay, and he's fixing the coffee machine. Okay. And this is for the Mickey's Splash Zone. We don't have any little rugrats in here right at the moment. We'll see if we can get a picture later. Oh!
Yeah. We're like, where are the boys?
Yeah!
Yeah, and they're like,
and this is Cabanas. You'll find this on the Fantasy, the Dream, and the Magic now. The Wonder still has the top side of buffet. And believe me, if you can't find it in here, they don't make it. This is the station. You go to the station, down a line. Good point here. You can bring your powered chair if you need it. And believe me, what you see right here is not uncommon. This lady's a Disney employee and she's helping. And if you need help, they'll give it to you. Okay, this is the other side of the aisle. Stuff to make your breakfast even better. Cereals, more cereals. They even slice your bananas for you, so if you want to put them on your cereals. Milk, light yogurt. Let's see, we got fat-free chocolate, Activia light. Okay, and then we got a Mickey milk. Okay.
Only in Disney ship.
That's it.
Yeah.
But believe me, I could understand it would only be on a Disney ship.
Only because it's Mickey milk. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think Carnival's going to do that.
Yes, right. Unless Carnival milk is green and white logo.
Okay, so this is the drink station at the inside of Cabanas, and you have all kind of specialty coffees you can do with the hot water, mixes and stuff. In here they give you cups too. Okay, nice. You have your Minute Maid machine. I think you got orange juice, cranberry juice, apple juice, and then another orange juice. Another drink machine. More glasses. To fix a long-standing discussion that took place on this board about a year and a half ago, this being June the 2nd, 2014. There is coffee creamer for the drink, for the coffee. That machine that says cream outside is not just for the coffee drinkers. You want to know what time it is? Disneyland Hong Kong. There it is. Then we have Tokyo, Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and Disneyland Paris. If you go all the way to the aft elevator, you can come right into Cabanas off the aft elevator. And here you can order stuff specially. You can cook your steak up. Fruits. Good morning. You will be on YouTube too. Bananas. Plenty of fruits. Steak. My wife loves the steak. It's like about a 1/4 inch thick. She thinks that's great. Croissants. Okay, here we go. And second day, well, actually third day of the ship. Second day at sea, and we have fresh Krispy Kreme donuts. Don't ask me how they do this, okay? It appears to be that they were flash frozen. You can have a, we've got Bloody Marys for those people who had too much the night before. And I'm not going to walk on the other side, but this repeats itself. This is a two-sided affair, so you can come down either side from of the ship, port or starboard, and basically it terminates back here at the bar. Now, there's a nice smiley face telling me to have a magical day, and another person telling me to have another magical day. And that's the Big Blue Sea. And if you're going to sit in Cabanas, go all the way to the back and go out and sit in the open fresh air. You can sit inside in the air conditioning anytime you want to. Find out what sea life's all about. Greatest spot on the ship is to go eat your breakfast looking out over the fantail of any one of the ships. So automatic doors, you didn't have to push them open. So we were out here earlier. And there's the group And I was accused of not taking pictures of them.
Hey, rub that old sleep out of your eye.
Well, gee, look at what the fuck there.
Really? Yeah. Alright, let's hit the trail, yeah.
Mid-morning, day 3. Sea day. Cool breezes, smooth seas, blue water. You're in the Caribbean now, baby. It don't get any bluer. Ooh, business is picking up over here at the pool. That's the, guess gotta get over here. Cove Cafe there. Again, it's usually about noon before this really gets busy down here.
Way ahead, mister. Come on, Vicky.
This is June the 2nd. All first run movies that Disney releases are brought on the ship and played in the movie theater at the same time. I'd like to use the term it's free, but believe me, you pay for it. One piece of warning on any of the shops: be sure that you do your shopping before the ship returns to U.S. waters. If you get up the last morning and expect to go in the shop before you leave the ship and buy something, it will not happen. So we're going to a liquor tasting thing, drink making, mixology class, that's it. But we're right here. This is Remy's in here, and over there is Palo. The two very classy restaurants, special fare. You have to make reservations, and there is an extra charge for it. But if you're interested, this is where they are, in the deck 12 in the rear of the ship. Only accessible, just so you'll know, via the elevators. Can't walk on deck 12 and get here. Okay? High-end restaurant. No children. This is Palo. They serve a brunch and dinner. Generally speaking, reservation gets pretty well filled up. This particular cruise we're on is sold out. So we're on the Fantasy, and this is 4,000 people. And I don't know exactly what it is, so if you're gonna book it, make your reservation.
So excited to get dudes. Name's Quash. I said hello, units.
Hello.
Oh, it's really lit. So check it out. Nick and I fishing onward. We're totally cruising the big old blue, and we saw you dudes totally doing the same thing. We got the event right beside here if we all totally got together. If that's us, so we all say John. Dudes, come on in. They said Shaw. Intros. This is my little dude script.
Dude! Check it out! It's like a big irritate!
Totally dudes. Yo, little dudes, go hard. Dudes, right idea. Try to find Nemo, dudes.
Try to find us!
But come on down, little blue. Everyone say hello, Dory. You too, John Ryan.